All right. Hey guys, this is the market update for 19th of June. Today's Monday, start of a new week, and we'll just cover some. We'll basically cover BTC and ETH and basically equities because alts are looking like shit. Liquidity is not there, and I don't think that they deserve our time right now unless we see something significant from BTC. Because at this time around, I think what BTC does is the defining argument, of the future of the crypto, the rest of the crypto, because alts are bleeding pretty bad. I mean, obviously we see some upside today, but it all depends on what BTC does from here. All right, let's go. Let's dive into it. As we know, 30K is our brick wall for now. We just deviated above it, and let me see where my pen is. I hope I can find it there. Yeah. All right. So we have this deviation right here, and then we immediately fell back underneath the level. All right. Here deviation, and then now we're here. Okay. So what we're looking at right now. What we're looking at right now is we have this area here, which is acting as which has acted as resistance before, now acting as support, right? So we were expecting some kind of bounce from here, and which we got basically this move. But what happens here is on the daily, it's having troubles, right? Getting above this level right here, basically. Okay, see support here, cannot close, no closes below this level, bounced right from the level, and then bouncing above and below, and then now rejecting at the same level. It's kind of a zone right there, and now we're rejecting. It's not currently, for example, yesterday it was looking pretty bad because this area was looking like a bearish retest, this area, but now we kind of made this push above it, right? So if this candle closes like this, I think we have a better chance for a bullish argument. And above here, I think we should be looking for longs at least towards these areas. At least, maybe potentially higher, but since we're under resistance, this is still resistance until broken. So we just keep it level to level for now. Okay. Okay. Daily doesn't look so bad, basically, as long as this holds. I think it's fine. So my daily view is as long as this holds, I think it should be fine. Another way of looking at that is this is the breaker that took out these lows, and now we're holding. Basically, what we don't want to see is on the lower time frame, obviously, to trade below here again. Okay, so this should hold this area. Okay, that's that. I can put a box there so we don't forget, like this, make it a big breaker. Yeah, that's about it. We want this to hold basically on the lower time frame. Okay, what about the other time frames? On the weekly, I think weekly is the best looking chart for now, the best looking time frame, because it looks like it's bouncing off from here. So structure wise, we have this break, we have this high low, high high. Now this could be the potential high low, and that would lead to a higher high. Okay, maybe towards there, towards this region here, 34 to 36K for now. All right. But again, on the lower time frame, we have this line over here to overcome. On the downside, you see this weekly level right here. So basically, if we dip down here is fine, and there's this weekly breaker right there. Also, we bounced from the weekly breaker, so we still. That's why I was still bullish. I kept my bullish view on Bitcoin, just because of these facts. Support here, weekly breaker there. We're just bouncing off of it, so bullish bias is there. Okay, when would I turn? Then if we start losing this and do something like that, and if we lose this, come back here for a bearish retest, and so basically this area is a bear zone. Okay, for me, this is a bear zone. Above here, I think we should be more bullish. So yeah, monthly looking kind of all right, and yeah, not so bad basically. But we have like 11 days for the month to end, so not the best reference point basically. 4 hour. This candle was looking bad basically because it took out the high, it rejected, but it managed to close above. So, and now I'm looking at this candle. What it's gonna do? Okay, if it manages to get above here, then I think the bullish argument could be stronger. Let's see what else we have argument wise. Like 12 hour, let's see. Yeah, 12 hour reclaim the 50 again, and we have a local level right there. Support, deviation, support. Again, resistance here. Now back at support. So yeah, this looks like it's reasonable to assume that it should stay above here. Okay, and we can also draw some meme lines around and like this basically. Now we're rejecting from there, so basically that also supports the idea. If it holds, then we should be looking at being more bullish. All right, but this is the level right now that we need to overcome. And on the flip side, let's see what the XY is doing. Well, this looks like it's bouncing from here where it's supposed to go from the original breakout point. But then again, it doesn't look too good. So what I'm looking at is here is there's this level right there. And is it gonna do this, which is good for crypto? Or is it gonna be doing this, which is not the not what we want to see? Okay. Obviously, Nasdaq is like this is a monster chart right now. It's been up only, but it started showing some divergences here at this highs, and I think we might be due for a pullback. But the pullback, I think, is not gonna even touch here. As you see, there has been pullbacks, but they've been supported well and ended up with continuation. There's another pullback here, another continuation. So basically, I'm expecting something like this, maybe like a max, and we'll see what it does from here. Is it gonna do this or bounce from it? So this is important level fighting for Nasdaq. And what else we have? We have yes, same situation again. Divergence at the highs, but this could easily end up going here and then bounce from there. So we'll just be watching if the levels are protected or it's gonna be lost. So I'm gonna be watching this level here. What it's gonna do when it comes there? Is it gonna bounce or is it gonna lose? Then we're gonna be looking at this level basically. Okay. So that's that. What else we have? Other than that, I mean, look, some of these. Look at these charts. Like MicroStrategy looks like it's gonna have this breakout soon. Of course, I already started the position on this because if it does break out, then I expect it to go like at least towards here, at least, or like somewhere towards there. Okay, and what else we have? Let's clear this out. AI is at resistance right now here, right there. What else? Like tech stocks are making all-time highs, like Microsoft did, Apple did. You see here, all-time highs. And I've been talking about Nvidia. Basically, it made an all-time high and then made another all-time high. Spotify, I think, is looking like it could use a break, but these overextensions in RSI could lead to more upside. I don't know if it's going to be like this much, but can lead to more upside before it starts cooling off. So it just indicates a strong trend, basically. As you see here, when it was here, it was basically there, and then it made this move. So this doesn't mean so much in a higher time frame perspective. What else we have here? Netflix looking good, approaching resistance right here. Actually, it already did. Right here, maybe it could use a little pullback or at least some kind of consolidation around here, and then reclaim this level towards there. Okay, or could easily do that too. Depending on what the macro environment will look like. So basically, equities are much fun markets right now, especially the AI ones are promising, I guess. Yeah, not this one, obviously. Well, for example, this one could be in. Well, I mean, this is a nice looking chart. If it does a little pullback towards there, and then lower time frame reversal signs, I think it could push towards there. So, and that would be like a monster move for this. Or let's look at it like really quickly. IDEX was doing fine, but it just got rejected. For example, iRobot, this is a nice bounce. It just dipped down here, cleared all the lows, and then reclaimed the level, and now pushing. So basically, this is an important level right now to hold. What this guy is doing, this is looking like super easy, super nice chart. Support level, reclaim of the level, now pushing towards highs. Like, yeah, equities in general are more fun to trade right now. For example, Uber. Uber is doing very well after this reclaim. I've been posting on Twitter about this. So yeah, I'm interested in BTC. What BT first? I need to see what BTC does. I think the most obvious level to go from here is this, and I'm more interested in the. Let me see a BTC chart right here. Yeah, I'm more interested in this now. Let me see a 1 hour chart. Yeah, for example, if tomorrow it does something like this, clears out everything, hits this level right there, and reclaims, then I'll be looking for longing towards there and potential there. All right. I think that's about it for now because I need more price action to develop right here. But I think so. But on the other hand, if tomorrow it does something like this, and then I will be looking to take it towards there. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll keep you updated when we have something more concrete. All right. Cheers.